There are 4 feet attached to your compressor's tank. The feet help to prevent the compressor from vibrating around and prevent it from damaging the surface it is sitting on. Over time, the plastic feet will harden and crack or crumble. Replacing the foot is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the old foot from the compressor. The foot is secured to the compressor with a single screw. I'll go ahead and remove it. Now I can install the new foot. And that's how easy it is to replace the tank foot assembly on your air compressor.